Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change your Fortnite name. Now after creating your account, as you can see, you've created this account before, you've logged in with your credentials. Now let's say for one reason or the other you need to change the name, the real name you used. What do you do? So the first thing you do is from the home page, click on account setting, and then you scroll down to personal details. Over here, mind your name and contact information. You click on your first name and you change it to what you want. Let's say I want to change my name to Total, first name to Total, and then the second name to, let's say I want to use Chaos, Total Chaos as my name. Once I'm through, go down here and click on Save Changes. You can also change your display name by clicking here. So you put in a new display name. Let's say I want to use Chaos. This is a very weird name. Okay. And then you click on the fact that you understand. Because that's one thing. If you change your display name, you can't change the name for 2 weeks. So if you are sure, click on confirm. This display name is already in use. Who uses it? Let's try again. And that's it. Display name has been placed successfully. Then the next one, you click on Save Changes here. This is to change your account name, and you can see Total Chaos is now my name. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to change your name and display name in Fortnite. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like the video put up every day. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.